How has Zlatan made a difference in Milan? In his 40 years career, Ibrahimovic is the top scorer of the league top teams, still undefeated, and has made a miraculous recovery from a knee injury suffered at Manchester United to play as well as he has in Italy after a two-season at LA Galaxy. How is this AC Milan team a new moment for Ibrahimovic? AC Milan has one of the younger sides in the league with an average age of under 25. Adding someone with the experience of Zlatan changed the mentality of the dressing room. In an interview to BBC Sports, the Swiss talked about how his early stint at Milan involved fighting constantly for titles, but this second stint is built more towards bringing the Italian club back to its former glory days. How age changed Zlatan's approach of the game. Through his stellar career, Ibrahimovic has turned out for a who's who of European club royalty. The two Milan clubs, Juventus, Barcelona, Manchester United, PSG and Ajax. The air of arrogance that one associates with him continue to be projected through his social media accounts, but occasionally things get real and the Swedish striker opens up about his limitations. I am honest in saying that I am not running like I ran before. I am running more intelligent now. The Italian league, the reason I say that it's the most difficult to play in for a striker in because it's very technical. And the philosophy of the Italy is to not to concede a goal rather than score a goal. Zlatan told BBC Sports. What do the numbers say? It doesn't matter which phase of Zlatan's career is poured over. Titles and trophies are given. The ability to understand that he can't run like he used to, but still adapting his game to score 10 goals in an ongoing Serie A season make a 39-year-old a force of reckon with, especially considering how Milan are upsetting the status quo of Juventus, who have won the last 9 leagues title in a row and have Ronaldo on their roster. Milan are currently 31 points after 13 Serie A games, 1 point ahead of city rivals Inter and 4 ahead of Juventus. While talk of a domestic title, potentially Milan 19 and the first since 2010 and 11 will be a premature at this stage. The Zlatan effect is there for all to see. How did Zlatan come out of a career-threatening injury? In his second season at Manchester United, Ibrahimovic suffered an anterior cruciate ligament tear, which essentially is a 9-month layoff of the footballer. A recovery he completed in 7 months. For him to be at the age he was and to not only not retire but return to play his trade in a top European league a couple of years later proved his resolve to make an incredible comeback. So this is how the Zlatan is making a difference at Milan.